Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the structure of a leaf and explain how its different parts are adapted for photosynthesis. Leaves are the main organs of photosynthesis in plants. Their structure is specially adapted to allow the plant to absorb light, take in carbon dioxide, and transport water and sugars efficiently. First, I will talk about the external features of a leaf. Leaves are attached to the stem by a petiole, which holds the leaf in position. They are usually broad and flat, which give them a large surface area to absorb as much light as possible. They are also thin, which shortens the distance for gas to diffuse in and out of the leaf. Now, we look at the internal structures of a leaf, starting from the top. At the top of the leaf is the upper epidermis. This layer is thin and transparent, allowing light to pass through to the cells below. It is covered by a waxy layer called cuticle, which reduces water loss by evaporation, and there is no chloroplast in the upper epidermis. Below the upper epidermis is the palisade mesophyll layer. This layer contains tall, tightly packed cells with lots of chloroplasts. This is where most photosynthesis takes place, because the cells are close to the surface and can absorb lots of light. Under the palisade mesophyll is the spongy mesophyll layer. The cells here are loosely packed and have large air spaces between them. These air spaces allow gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen to diffuse easily through the leaf. The spongy mesophyll cells also contain some chloroplasts, but the number is fewer than in the palisade mesophyll cells. At the bottom of the leaf is the lower epidermis. This layer contains small openings called stomata. Stomata allow gases to move in and out of the leaf. Under sunlight, carbon dioxide enters the leaf for photosynthesis, while oxygen and water vapor leave. Each stoma is controlled by guard cells, which can open or close the stoma. Guard cells help control water loss and gas exchange, and unlike epidermis, guard cells contain chloroplasts. Inside the leaf are the vascular bundles, which contain xylem and phloem. The xylem transports water and mineral from the root to the leaf, and the phloem transports sugars made during photosynthesis to the rest of the plants. In conclusion, the structure of a leaf is well adapted for photosynthesis. Features such as large surface area, many chloroplasts, air spaces, and a good transport system all help the leaf work efficiently. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.